In this video, we'll talk about multiplying polynomials by a monomial. So let's just go ahead and start this off with an example. This lesson I don't think will take very long. We're basically just combining distributive property with our knowledge of exponents. So if I'm looking at this, I'm taking 2x times the expression 4x squared plus 3x plus 1. Now, if we were to kind of ignore the x, we would just literally double all of the individual pieces in the polynomial. So we're largely going to do the exact same thing. We're going to take this 2x times all three of these pieces of this polynomial. So for starters, we're going to take 2x times 4x squared. 2 times 4 makes 8. X times x squared makes x cubed if we follow our exponent laws. So that's where the first piece comes from. Now I'm going to take the 2x times the 3x. Well, 2 times 3 makes 6. X times x is x squared. And then, last but not least, we'll take 2x times the plus 1, which will just be plus 2x. And that is our simplified expression. We can do no more with that. So at this point, I don't think we need to walk through another example. You may have more letters, but the concept is still the same. Basically, you're just doing distributive property with your exponents. Just be careful with your exponent laws.